So let's see how we can work with tables in HTML. For that, we need to write the table tag. This table tag is a pair tag, so we have opening table tag, then we have closing table tag. It is also a block level tag, so this means it will push the next content to a new line. In a table, we have some table rows and we have some table data cells. So for that, we need some table rows first, and we are gonna write the tr tag, which stands for table row. And in every table row, we have some table data cells. So for that, we are gonna write the td tag. This stands for table data cells. And here I'm gonna write serial number and save the file. You can see a normal text which is serial number. This doesn't feel like it is a table. That's why I'm gonna write the border attribute and give the value 1. Save the file. You can see we have a border outside the data cell. So we need more data cell to this table row. So I'm gonna write the td tag again, and here we will have month. Save the file. We have another data cell with the text month. Let's say we have another data cell with the text expenses. Save the file. You can see we have another data cell with the text expenses. After this table row, we need another table row. For that, I'm gonna write the tr tag again, and inside this table row, we will have some more table data cell. For that, I'm gonna write the td tag and give a decimal number which is 1. Save the file. You can see we have a serial number which is 1. Then we have another data cell with the month name, and that would be January. Save the file. You can see we have the cell with the text January. We have another data cell, and here we write our expenses which is $100. Save the file. You can see we got the data cell. So I'm gonna copy this table row or the tr tag and paste this after this tr. And let me change this content. So make this 2. Then this January will be February. The expense would be $80. Save the file. You can see we have another table row. Let me copy this again and paste this and make this 3. Then we have the month name which is March, and the expense would be $120. Save the file. You can see we have another table row. We can also set the caption for this table with the caption tag. So caption, it is also a pair tag, so opening caption, and then we have closing caption, and in between these two we give a caption or a title to our table. So the caption would be expense table. Save the file. You can see our table has a caption which is expense table, and this is aligned to the center of our table. So the caption will be on the top of the table and it will be aligned to the center. So this is how we work with table tags in HTML.